This is the Bosch GSA1300PCE Professional Sabre Saw. These are often referred to as reciprocating saws, or just as recip saws. Using blades from the huge range produced by Bosch, it can be used to cut a wide variety of different materials, including wood, panels, sheet and ferrous metals, pipes, plastics and fiberglass, building products including blocks and bricks, polystyrene and much more. Weighing 4.1 kilos, this is a heavy duty tool, and it's particularly good for demolition work involving cuts in mixed materials or where you need to get into tight corners if access is difficult. The cutting abilities are impressive, with a maximum capacity of 220mm in wood, 20mm in steel and pipes up to 175mm in diameter. The GSA1300 has a powerful 1300 watt motor, making it the most powerful saw in its class, and constant electronics ensure that the motor speed and power output are maintained even under load. The orbital cutting action of the blade, coupled to this constant motor power, produce very high cutting speeds in a variety of materials. The stroke rate is varied on the trigger, giving you stepless control up to the maximum of 2,900 strokes per minute. This ability to vary the speed makes cutting more accurate, as you can start positively on the line at a slow rate and then speed up once the cut is properly established. The stroke length is 28mm. The blades are easy to change. The Bosch SDS twist mechanism makes the fitting and removal process very quick and simple, and there is no need for any tools. In some situations where access is difficult, it may be easier to cut in the opposite direction. On the GSA 1300, this is no problem. Just turn the blade round and refit it. The footplate tilts to take up the contours of whatever you're cutting to provide maximum support. It can also be adjusted in and out, allowing you to spread cutting wear over the full length of the blade. The ergonomic soft rubber grip make the tool very comfortable to hold, and also provide complete insulation should you accidentally cut through a hidden cable. The unique feature of this saw is the low vibration level. An inbuilt counterbalance system on the blade spindle, along with a decoupled rear handle, ensure that vibration levels are kept to an absolute minimum. This allows the user to work for longer without discomfort and fatigue, and minimises the risk of exceeding legal exposure levels. Powerful dual LEDs illuminate the cutting area, allowing you to see exactly what you're doing and work more safely in dark or confined work areas. These are permanently on whilst the tool is plugged in, which also acts as a safety feature, indicating that you need to disconnect from the mains before changing the blade. For internal openings, you can make plunge cuts much as you would with a jigsaw. For flush cuts, as for instance with projecting pipe, use flexible bimetal blades and just apply a little lateral pressure, keeping the footplate tight against the wall. For pruning or log cutting jobs in the garden, the GSA 1300 is a much safer alternative to using a chainsaw, and there are several dedicated blades for just this purpose. The saw is available in 240 volt, but for use on site there's a 110 volt model, and you'll find both models have a decent length of cable, so there are no restrictions here if you're not too close to a power point. An integral utility hook folds out, allowing you to hang the tool securely if you're working on a ladder or up on a scaffold. The tool is supplied in a sturdy carry case, along with a couple of blades to get you started. Other spare blades can be stored conveniently in the internal hinge compartment of the case. It is the range of these inbuilt features and the superior build quality using only high quality components that makes the GSA 1300 the class leader in terms of both performance and handling. The tool comes with a full professional warranty, and this can be extended up to 3 years by registering the product online. The GSA 1300 PCE Professional Sabre Saw.